we're gonna get into my third retie. Before we go any further, I want to show you some areas. Well, one plait in particular that I am concerned about, and it is her. It is she. Now let me try to pull all this back, and hopefully you can see what I see. So I'm gonna look in the mirror, and you can see how it looks thin, like thin here, and then that knot coming right there. I know what that looks like from having braids. It tends to want to fall out, so I'm hoping that you can see what I'm seeing. So I hope and pray that this does not happen, that she does not go anywhere. I know I have some new people on my channel, and I want to say welcome and thank you for joining me on my loc journey. And if you aren't here for my loc journey, just know that I do have other videos that I post, which are makeup content, vlogs, lifestyle, just other things in general. So make sure you check out some of those videos as well. This is what not having a retie in 8 weeks look like. 8 weeks on a vacation. Let me turn around to the back. Oh, and she's probably even more flat back there. And I believe a lot of the marrying is coming here at the bottom where it's soft and they're not fully locked. I do have some that they have just come loose, like right here in the front. I believe she decided to just come out on us, you know. I mean, these two, I don't know, but we'll see. Additionally, I will be, okay, listen up. I will be doing a giveaway once I get to my 500 subscribers. I'm excited about that. I mean, the growth has been great, and I appreciate you all. So I want to give something back just to say thank you. Be on the lookout for that announcement. I would love to have 1,000. I would love to have 1,000 and keep on going, but hey, we have to start somewhere, right?
With tea.
Y'all here with me? Rah, let's go. All right. Oh yeah, let me tell you guys, I am going to see a different loctician today, so I hope she gives you guys the same
feels
and the same love that my sister has given us on this channel while doing my hair. So, and I don't know how much content I will be able to get while I'm there, what it's gonna be like. This is our first time going because we're going together, right? Y'all coming with me, right? Don't leave me by myself. Please don't leave me by myself. All right, y'all. I gotta put some gas in my car, but when I get back in, we're gonna call Auntie.
Hello?
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning. What you doing?
Girl, I am on my way. Guess where?
Where you at? What you gonna bring back?
I ain't bringing nothing back today. Not today. This is something totally different.
Not today? Oh, okay.
Something you probably would never guess, but guess. It's off. It's not what you would think.
It ain't makeup, it ain't hair, it ain't nails, it ain't child fries, lashes.
Back up.
Is that so? Or Lipton?
Yeah.
What is it called? Brunch? You going to brunch? Oh, I'm on the way off. I don't know where you going.
I actually am going to get my hair done.
You want to get your hair done?
Yes. I found
what you want to get?
I found a lady that could retie my hair, so I'm gonna go see if she can redo it.
Okay.
I go see if she can redo it.
I
heard that she is
you.
a loctician.
Oh, okay, good.
No. She said that she said that she charges $20 an hour, and it takes her about 2 to 3 hours.
Oh, okay. Hold up. That's not bad. Okay, hold it. Go.
Now here's the other kicker.
Okay.
I recorded you.
You recorded me?
I'm recording our conversation right now.
Oh.
For the vlog. I was like, I'm gonna call Auntie, y'all, and I'm gonna let her know. So I told him that I was gonna call you, so you gonna be on there.
Oh, Lord. Why you do me like that?
It's a good
Like
thing
I
she
said,
ain't
ain't
say
you
nothing bad, huh?
Ain't you Ain't you Rod?
Alright, I'm cutting y'all off now. Get out of our conversation. Hello. And you can be honest. Look, be brutally honest. You've been here. You've done this. So, you know, hey.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, it's about far.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will tell you this. I went on vacation and I got in the ocean.
Water.
So yeah, that's what this, I think that's what a lot of this is. You can tell, huh? Yeah. I think I just lost maybe these, the edges. Like my edges are soft. So yeah.
Nugget.
He like, I'm going with her. You going with me?
Yay.
Yay. We've already started. I'm excited. She's completely gone, y'all. We're gonna have to tie her back up. Struggle's real.
I know.
Y'all, we have another ocean water. That's what we gonna call them. Those are our ocean waters, and she's out.
Yeah. It's still not
So okay, so 18 towards ACL.
Yeah. No, that's just it. At the junior college level, well, he wasn't drafted. So, well, I mean, chosen, whatever they do.
So I just recently had the epidural. When was that? July? Yeah, July. So, I can tell that there is a difference. But I also can tell that once I start, like, I had one over there, I was in there, I thought it was coming out. Like, it feels like it's a knot in it. I was really, I might be that one. Yeah, it's like really putting it in front of me. That's probably because I waited too long for me to come. It's just something myself. The process is whatever the person did.
My hair is growing, y'all. Look at this. Wow. She has length. This is it. This is all we have remaining.
What?
We are getting there. Woo-hoo! Woo! Okay, what advice do you have for the girls that are watching?
Do your reties on time.
Right. Do not wait 8 weeks. And you heard it here first. All right, y'all. I am leaving from getting my hair retied, and I will say that it was super quick. It was what, 11 o'clock I got here, and it is 2:37 now that I'm leaving. Yeah, we made really good time, and my hair feels nice and tight. She did use some lion locks on my hair to help with the frizziness, and we all know why we got the frizziness. But if you don't know, go back and check out that video. Watch this if you have Microlocs. I'm gonna pull over, look, just so I can show you like the back of my hair and all that good jazz, because I forgot to ask her to record, which she was so cool. Like, she was recording for me and everything, and I thought that was really nice. So I can definitely appreciate that, which I should have went to the CVS. I gotta use the bathroom, which I'm gonna go to the CVS. Yeah, so this is it. And the stuff that she used on my hair was Lion Locs, and that was used to help with some of this frizz. Oh, I think she may be a baby log right here. Oh no, that added in some of the edge. So let's look for that one puppy that we were talking about a little bit earlier. Where is she? I don't even feel her no more. Like, I know it was up in this area somewhere, I think. I can't find it, but it's gone. But let me turn around and look at the back. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification so you are notified when I upload new videos, which is every Wednesday and every Sunday. I hope you guys can see that because I couldn't see. Additionally, you can go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page. I'm trying to remember like my Instagram page, which is Wind Down with Lee, my pseudo.